This is the Iron Trader and TGIF. Okay, today we're going to review crude oil and natural gas as usual. And wow, what a great trading week again. Oil, both directions, good scalps in natural gas here, technology. Going to be a really good month and a good end of the year. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell a stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily chart. Now, upside here, you have to look at your key level here is going to be 82.43, which is this candle right here, okay? So now, if you can close above that, then we just keep going right to these next levels right up here, okay? So you have 82.71, you have 83.12, and then we have 83.44, and then your big retest here is 83.53 is in the sights. The key is going to be a close above that key price channel. Now here on the downside, we have the 8 SMA here sitting really nice here. So you're sitting at 80.45. So we got ourselves a nice good pattern going here. So we're going to see how that all shakes out. Now, again, if that is lost, that 8 day is lost, then we want to do is just look down to this candle right here, okay? So you're sitting at 79.05. Then we have yesterday's candle sitting at 78.69. And then we have your 21-day sitting right at 77.75. And then we have your 200-day right below that sitting at 76.82. So you got really good support. But see how your 8-day is above all your SMAs here. Your 21-day here now is above all your SMAs here. Now your 50 is curling up here. Very bullish pattern. But we got to see how it all shakes out. Now remember, OPEC meeting is on the 4th here, going to be over this weekend. So Sunday night's going to be wet and wild. Okay, so we have to see what they say. If they're going to make some more cuts, they need this price high and to stay high. That is going to be the key. Okay, so we know what the upside is. We know what the downside is. Let's take a look here on the weekly and a monthly. Okay, your monthly chart here, looking very good. Okay, you're above your key 8 SMA here. You're above your 200 SMA here and your 50 SMA here. And now we have to get this candle right here. That's 83.53. Above that, then we have a really nice target there at 86.19. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves here. Here on the weekly chart here, there's that 83.53, and then right above that is going to be your 100 SMA sitting at 85.37. Above that, then we look for the 21 here on your monthly chart. Now, here on the downside, well, we're looking really good here. So you want to go look to top of yesterday's candle. You're looking at 80.71. And then we're looking at this 50 SMA here, sitting at 78.45, which yesterday came down, held it just beautifully, and then rallied right off of that. Also held half of yesterday's candle. That's always a very bullish sign. Now, when you look at this 8 SMA, you're crossing way above your 21-day. Very good. That's going to be your support levels right there, sitting at 75.01, and then we have 74.17. But I don't think we have to worry about that right today. I think we just make sure that this holds right here, 78.45, just like it did yesterday, and we can go much higher. So remember, on the upside, you want to look for this 83.53. Above that, you have your 85.37, and then right above that, you have your 21 SMA here, sitting at 86.19. All right, let's take a look here at the old Nat Gas. Okay, Nat Gas here. Put a nice double bottom in here at 2.45 here. Rallying up here real nicely here. Now we have to see here, because you got as high as here as 2.59 there today. So you got to look at this, what we have here. Okay, so we want to look here at this 21, 2.56. You want to look at the 2.569, your 8-day, and then your 2.57. Everything is jammed up right there. If you can go above, then we have a retest here at 2.59, and then your 2.61 level right here. Now, if you look at this pattern here on an hourly chart here, left shoulders, head, right shoulders, looks like she wants to rip up, but let's not get excited. This is natural gas, and she's been flatlined here for months, okay? Now, we look at the 4-hour, because that's a little bit more spread out version. See how it all series of lower highs. Same thing here. We still have the series of lower highs here. So that's really nothing we want to say, oh, I'm going to jump in full balls out yet here. So you got to be very, very careful here with the Nat Gas. Okay, so what we want to do on the downside is you want to watch this 2.55 and your 8 days sitting right there at the same thing. And obviously, if that's lost, then we retest this 2.45. But on the upside, we're looking here for that 2.61 here. We have your 100 SMA here, 2.62, and then we have 2.65 here on your 200 SMA. So let's take a look here on your daily chart. All right, here we got a daily chart all stretched out here. Nothing to write home about here. Okay, so on the downside, to watch this 50 SMA, this is going to be key. You're sitting at 2.53. And then we want to look here at 2.45. That's your price channel. And then right below it here, we have 2.39. That is your 100-day. That would be your support areas here. On the upside, you want to look here at this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 2.58. And then right above that, we have the 21 SMA. You're sitting at 2.62. So you're really, everything is pretty much smashed together. All your price channels, all your SMAs here, everything is just like really a whole lot of nothing here. We really, really need to get above this 2.78 here to go in higher. Then your next level would be this candle right here at 2.87. Above that, this is your target right here, sitting at 3.02. So when we stretch this out here and you look at what reality is here, it just, I mean, this is just flatlined here, man. I mean, this is just nothing here. So, but again, now they're predicting a very, very cold winter. So this nothing could turn into something really big here on the long side here if that cold winter comes through. So always put that on the back of your burner here. You got hurricane season coming in here. That's terrible for people, but good for oil and natural gas. So I just have to keep that in mind. If you have a cold winter, the same thing, natural gas will rip higher. Okay, so just keep that in mind on your back burner. Now remember, we got the rig count here today at 1 p.m. and I'll have more for you on crude and natural gas after the pits close here at 2:30. All right, thanks for watching.